Happy birthday,
Happy
Mama.
birthday, Mama.
Happy birthday! Love you.
Love you.
Mwah.
Hi, Giselle, Scott, Jeremy, Nico. Thank you, everybody. Bye.
Okay guys, we're at our favorite spot. So there's Sissy's.
Thank you.
That's different. They have cucumber. I'll eat this side. You eat that side. So they only have sushi rice. They ran out of rice, which the rice looks fine, kind of. I mean, is it okay? Yeah? Sissy got ramen. This is Jay's first time having the bento. But we always get the bento. Guys, because they ran out of regular rice and they only had sushi rice, the chef threw in a ninja roll for us. So awesome. What is this called?
Balloon.
Balloon. Look at our leftovers, you guys. It looks like a full plate. It's all of our bentos combined. And we didn't even fill that.
I ate all mine.
No, you didn't.
That's
Lies.
tempura stuff?
Oh, yeah. sorry. Hey, guys. Hi. How y'all doing? We're having more family time. Oh, hi. Red Robin. Yum. So we're at Red Robin. Burger. And who gets a salad? Me. But look at how good this salad looks. So it's the avocado salad, no blue cheese crumbles, and Thousand Island dressing with a side of sweet potato fries. But I can't eat yet because they didn't give me a fork and a knife to cut my chicken. But everyone else is happy. Oh, miniature things are so cute. Breaking the bank at Costco. Look at how pretty the day is. Such a nice day. What's the degrees? Where is it? Look at the sky. Excuse me?
And she does it without looking behind so they can
No, I check. Stop.
Yeah, you do. Stop. No paparazzi! I'm your biggest fan of all you until you.
Are you tired? Good morning, fam bam. We're at IKEA early on this Saturday morning. We're having some snacks before we shop. Kick game strong. Ooh, look at these guys, all fitted. Testing out the sofa bed. Look at all the cute outdoor stuff, y'all. So cute. My vlog camera battery is dead, so I have to use my phone. Okay, so Scott went outside to go turn off my car and bring them in the house. Hello! Hi, house! Welcome home! Hello, house! Oh, so nice! Love it!
Yeah, so much better.
Oh.
Is this echoing?
Welcome home!
Thank you.
Mom saying thank you. Okay. Okay, wait.
Oh, it's planning room, planning space.
Okay,
Yay,
wait.
my
You
best
guys,
not a couple.
whose room do you guys want to go in first? Haley's?
Haley's.
Okay. Okay.
Haley's room.
Don't look this way. Look that way.
I'm
Haley's room.
Okay, turn on. Wait. Turn on this light right here. This one, Haley. Yeah, right there.
Oh, look
Okay.
her name on top.
Oh, that's so many pictures of
Oh, pretty.
parts of me. I'm there, so that's all that matters.
That's so
Okay. Open your door, baby.
I'm closing my eyes.
Okay, go. Sorry.
I know there's a light on. Oh,
That's all the stuff for you on your bed.
Oh, you guys have it.
That's why we were like.
Good idea. You're smart.
Sorry, my shoes are so on.
You like it? That's okay. That's okay. Don't worry, Jay. It's fine. It's fine.
pretty, your room.
Of course, I wouldn't.
Okay, take a picture. Wait, take a picture.
Aw.
Take off the thing off your neck,
Wait.
crazy girl.
I was trying to put it back in
Oh
the
wait,
car,
here.
but-
baby girl.
This is for you.
Yeah.
Here, look.
Pretty.
Welcome home. That's
Oh,
your
I
house
have my
key.
own key. Oh, cool.
Okay, here, hold it up. Let me take a picture. Okay, come inside, you guys. Stand by the welcome home sign.
So it's
Right there.
spacious.
It is, right?
Yeah.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay,
My turn.
My turn.
sorry, Mom.
Okay.
I'm gonna go in there.
One.
Okay, hold on.
Nice.
I love this picture. I like this one. I like
Yeah, whenever they're ready.
Whenever you guys ready. You ready, babe?
Yeah?
Okay, go.
Uncle Jay, are you cheating?
No.
Okay, stop, sissy. Okay, stop, bro.
Okay.
Okay, ready? Wait. Set. Go.
Oh, it is nice. See, your red accents in here already with the decorations.
Told you red.
Haley, stand over there.
Why me?
Yeah, okay, go. No, them two. They have to take a picture together.
Yeah.
It's just not. I like that. And you said, what did you say about it?
What?
It's not nice. Is that the one?
Yeah.
It's not nice.
Oh, so pretty.
It wasn't. That was
I'm
outside
gonna
in
take
the
this
living room, yeah?
picture.
Will it overflow? Oh.
Okay, you guys need
Oh.
I did it.
You tricked me.
Thank you.
Hi. It's a video.
Hi.